Morning. Welcome back to session. Um, the problem for the session is weighted array subset division. Okay. Given an array of 5 elements, how many subsets you can make? Subsets of size 1, say 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. Because they have only one element, the weight of these subsets is the element itself. Next 5, 3, say 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 4, and so on. These are subsets of size 2. Weight is sum of the elements. So its weight is 8, its weight is 6, its weight is 7. This is 5, 4, right? Its weight is 9. Next, subsets of 3 elements. Subsets of 3 elements or more, 3 or more. Okay, in this case, the weight is maximum 2 elements, sum of maximum 2 elements. For that, you need to sort it. What are the maximum 2 elements? 5, 1, so weight is 6. Here weight is 7, and so on. If there are 4 elements, again you take sum of maximum 2 elements. Subsets of 5, again do that. So you need all subsets whose sum is equal to k. Okay, and subsets should not have repeating elements. No two subsets should have common elements. The solution for this problem is 5 and then 3 2 or 2 3 and then 1 4 and then 1 2 3. So this is solution. Okay, subsets are sublists. Once you get a list or a set, you can convert it to a list or a set. Okay, hope you understand it. Let us proceed to do it. The first line of input is number of numbers. The first line of input is number of numbers. Okay, so n equal to int of input k is the sum of subset, which is also an input. These are 2 lines of inputs. Next 5 lines are the numbers itself. Okay, so let array A is 0 for all the n elements. Now you have 5 lines of inputs. For I in range n, read one element in one line, okay, which is an integer. Okay, so 5 lines of input, totally 7 lines. First line n, second line k, and third to 7th are the numbers itself. Okay, so inputs are ready. Let output is stored in a list. Okay, here you need combinations. For that, use combinations module from itertools library. From itertools module, use combinations method. From itertools, use combinations. Spelling, oh, correct. Okay, now, so for I in range, groups of 1 to groups of n. Groups of 1, groups of 2, groups of 3, groups of 4, groups of 5, okay, or combinations of 1, combinations of 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, so each combination has groups. Let's call this as groups. Groups is equal to combinations, list name is A, first value of I is 1. Now you have combinations of 1. So you get five groups. Each group contains only one element. Okay, combinations of 2 NC2, 5C2. What is 5C2? 5 into 4 by 2, you get 10. Okay, so 5C3, 5C4, 5C5, etc. Now, so make it a list. Individual group is a tuple. Okay, see what do you get. Print groups. Okay, run it. Find what happened. From iter to support combinations. N is integer, k is integer, a is 0 into 10 for I in range and ai equal to int of input. Okay, should not be a problem. Let us see why. Okay, 5 5 5 is n, 5 is k, then elements 5 3 1 2 4. Okay, so combinations of one element, combinations of two elements, combinations of three elements, combinations of four elements, combination of one element. Fine. Now take each group at a time. Take one group at a time. For group in groups. Okay, you want highest two in the group. For that reason, you need to sort. But each group is a tuple. You cannot sort a tuple. So convert this group into a list. Yes, sort tuple doesn't have the function sort. For that reason, you need to convert tuple into a group. Now you can sort it. You can sort it. Okay. Okay. If the group has only one element, if the group has only one element, okay, then it has weight is only that element. So what is the weight? Weight is one and only one element of the group. Okay, if that weight is equal to k, then to output you append this group. Okay, if group length is more than one, then what you do, you take the last two elements of the group. What are last two elements? Group minus 1 plus group minus 2. Okay, and get the sum of it. The input to sum function is a list. So make these two elements a list. Make these two elements a list. Okay, now this is equal to k. This is equal to k, a required sum. Then append this group also to output list. Okay, now print all the groups appended to output whose weight is 5. Okay, so let us check it. So there are 5 elements in a group, 5 elements, and sum is The required weight is 5. The elements are 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay. This is group -2. I'm extremely sorry for this. Last two elements are the biggest elements. I'm sorry for entering inputs once again. 5, 5, 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay. So these are the groups. Its weight is 5, its weight is also 5, its weight is also 5. 3 elements. What are the maximum 2 elements? These two. Their sum is 5. So these are the groups, or these are the subsets. Okay. Whose weight is 5. If you want to present them as sets, how do you present them as sets? You can present them as sets. How? For I in range. Okay. So length of output. Length of output. Okay. So what is output I? What is output of output I equal to set of output I. Okay. Now print output. This is how you convert a sublist into subset. Okay. So one extra parenthesis. So 5, 5, 5, 3, 1, 2, 4. So you got them as sets. Okay. So hope you understand it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for automatic updates and give me